Hello everyone, this is Jorge and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Do you still remember my video on how to apply waterproofing system using Pentens T-100 Pro? Many of the audience were also asking me about Pentens FLESEAL T-200, another top-selling waterproofing product. So in this video, I'm gonna explain to you about Pentens FLESEAL T-200, what are the advantages and the difference with Pentens T-100 or T-100 Pro and how you can easily apply it. Let's begin. Enjoy! Let us go in details on this product. Pentens FLESEAL T-200 UV resistant elastomeric waterproofing coating. Formula based on newly developed acrylic polymers, UV resistant, which dramatically reduces solar heat absorption and temperature. Elastomeric refers to the rubber-like properties of a polymer, forms an incredibly thick yet flexible coating that helps waterproof the exterior of a structure, and the ability to bridge hairline cracks to complete an airtight waterproof seal. What are the advantages? Single component waterproofing system, low volatile organic compound (VOC), water-based and non-formaldehyde, no blistering, cracking and peeling, chemical resistance, and user-friendly, tough and durable to weather, bacteria and fungus. Another important point to take note is this product adheres well over galvanized and metal roof, wood, asphalt or aluminium coatings, polystyrene foam insulation and many other roofing materials. What are the areas of application? Almost all RC or reinforced concrete structures and cementitious products. For example, gutter, planter box, floor slab, external wall, and also roof. Other interesting application substrates include metal roofing or steel roofing, timber fencing, and timber siding. Here is a sample layout model of a RC flat roof or balcony with both horizontal floor and vertical wall. This is fiber cement board to simulate concrete substrate. Of course, there are few important criteria that you should take note in waterproofing system. Angles and corners are the weakest point in waterproofing system. You can treat them either by installing angle fillets, a mixture of cement, sand and latex polymers to form a 45-degree angle, or by reinforcing the areas using fiber fabrics. Vertical wall, especially in shower or bath area. May I ask, have you ever experienced damp surface on the other side of the wall which is shared by your bathroom? Ugly patches, paint peeling off the wall and discomfort odor. Now you know why you must apply waterproofing system. Drainage outlet, another potential failure spot. PVC or plastic pipe does not stick very well with concrete and cement render, which can lead to potential water seepages and leakages. Don't believe me? Take a view from your ground level. How about floor tiles or cement grouting lines? Which one to blame? Well, to be honest with you, very unlikely. And that is also the main reason why you should apply a good waterproofing system right from the beginning. Here comes the very important part of the video on how to apply Pentens FLESEAL T-200. Are you ready? To begin, clean the application surface from any dirt or debris. Please remember that preparation works must be done accordingly. For example, surface and crack lines repair, floor leveling, and anchor fillets. Next, I'm gonna apply Pentens T007 cement modifier as primer layer. You may dilute the primer using clean water and apply it using brush or roller. For your information, the coverage of this primer is 0.2 kg for 1 meter square. Pentens FLESEAL T-200 is available in 3 colors, grey being the most popular, followed by white and green. This is 1.5 kg pack size, also available in 5 kg and 20 kg. For the purpose of demonstration, I'll be using grey color. Mix it well and you may dilute it with water if required. Apply using brush, roller or even spray method. The coverage of Pentens FLESEAL T-200 is 0.5 kg for 1 meter square. You probably will be asking me, how many layers of coatings are sufficient? The answer, minimum of 2 coatings and best at 3 to 4 coatings. Here are some of the favorite questions asked by fellow audience when it comes to waterproofing. What is the best time to apply waterproofing? In example, Pentens FLESEAL T-200. Personally, I would suggest in the morning or late afternoon, where the surface and the above surface temperature are much cooler, within the 5 degree to 50 degree of application temperature. Please remember that high temperature will expedite the evaporation process that will cause the waterproofing to bind immaturely, which can lead to potential waterproofing failures. How long can Pentens FLESEAL T-200 last? Without any prejudice, I would suggest a recoating between 3 to 4 years for optimal performance. However, due to external factors such as harsh weather, poor preparation and workmanship, and wrong application procedure, this may greatly reduce its durability. What is the difference comparing to Pentens T-100 or T-100 Pro? Both are single component water-based waterproofing solution, flexible and can be elongated. In terms of physical appearance, T-200 looks like rubbery liquid, while T-100 or T-100 Pro similar to asphalt coating. For your information, T-200 can be used in exposed area, in example, flat roof and balcony, but with less traffic volume. Why? Because any cuts or damages on the protective membrane may compromise the entire waterproofing system. On the other hand, T-100 or T-100 Pro non-exposed or not suitable for sunlight exposure as it turns brittle under heat. What is the solution? You need to apply a layer of protection, for example, cement or cement render. You may hear about waterproofing products having hundreds of percentage in elongation. What does that mean? What is elongation? Elongation is the ability of the membrane to stretch, measured in percentage. For example, an elongation of 150% means that the membrane can stretch to 1.5 times when pulled. Waterproofing membrane will expand and shrink as temperature changes. Therefore, you need a solution that has a very good elongation so that it won't crack or tear. Here is another scientific fact. Elongation works opposite with tensile strength. The higher the elongation, the lower the tensile strength. For a good waterproofing product, manufacturers always need to find a balance between these two. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope that all of you have a good understanding on waterproofing system, especially Pentens FLESEAL T-200, T-100 and T-100 Pro. The advantages, comparisons, and how you can easily apply it. If you enjoy watching my video, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Stay tuned. Bye bye for now.